Big Boss house is not for the weak heart. You have to be mentally very strong because it can make you a monster. It can make you someone who you are not in your real life. See, if I'm asked to come back as a wild card or something, then I don't mind going back inside the house. He's nice. He's nice. तो खाली उनसे एक शिकायत है, कंप्लेन है मुझे कि उनने मुझे थोड़ा इग्नोर किया मुझे वीकेंड के वार पे क्योंकि मैं उन्हें कुछ रीजन नहीं दे रहा था. Because but I would like some people to target me because in this show no one was targeting me. They all were on the back foot. Whenever I used to come in between and fight with them, they used to go in the back foot. नहीं नहीं हमने आपकी तरफ से कुछ नहीं बोला. नहीं नहीं ये नहीं मैंने अगर बोला भी तो कि सॉरी वॉरी बोलेंगे क्या है ये. Hi guys, you're watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe. Well, honestly, I know all my fans, they are like quite disappointed because they all feel unfair decision as in, has been made and we are out of the show. Even I feel the same because I think me and Ridhima, we were doing quite well inside, as in we were not into any kind of manipulation or anything, or we didn't have any game plan or strategy. We were, very honest with our approach and like a pure couple inside the house, like the calming effect in the family. And agar aap meri baat karenge to I stood up for many people inside the house. I fought with Pratik for most of the women. So I am little disappointed with this verdict, but life has to go on. I'm happy that I'm back in my family. That's the most beautiful feeling, and yeah, that's it. Honestly, brother, you know what I feel? I've always, before also in life, I mean, I've always gone by honesty and sincerity, and my approach was the same inside the house. I was being myself, and I wanted to go on and win the show, or just go deep in the competition with by just staying positive and spreading positivity and love. And it doesn't, always need to be that you have to be negative and you have to become a monster in the show, play games with people and win the show. You can also be honest guy and win everyone's hearts with love and all. But it's okay, if my main priority was to win hearts, which I've achieved. That's the biggest victory for me. I think I'm getting a lot of love from entire India, and a lot of people are calling and messaging me, and a lot of people are joining me on social media, especially my Instagram. So I'm very happy that that I'm getting so much of acknowledgement for the way I conducted myself inside the house, because I know it's a little rare to see people inside the house like that. So I'm happy. I mean, my biggest reward was this. I mean, and it's always been this, that love from my fans, and I've won many hearts. So this is my victory. I had no game plan. I had no strategy. I just went inside the house thinking, I'll be the same where I am. But, in this, I mean, what I learned that you have to do more things inside the house. But I didn't want to compromise on being a good person. Maybe that's why I paid the price, and maybe that's why I'm out. I learned how to clean the house. So all these things I've learned. Now मेरे मम्मी मेरे पीछे पड़ गए जब से आया हूँ, तो मैंने उनको कहा मुझे 1-2 दिन का ब्रेक दे दो, फिर मैं यहाँ घर के भी सफाई सब चालू कर देता हूँ. So उस पे definitely, but no. Apart from all this, I mean, see, Big Boss house is not for the weak heart. You have to be mentally very strong because it can make you a monster. It can make you someone who you are not in your real life. So in that way, it tested me, but I think I passed with flying colors and I came out because I didn't change a bit. I was as natural as possible, and I wasn't reacting to the cameras over there or trying to give content or something in that regard. I was just reacting to the situations. जो भी मेरे तरफ आता था, जो situation आता था, उसी तरह हिसाब से मैं react कर रहा था. So yeah. I just want to tell them that thank you so much for being there and supporting me and giving me so much of love. So what if we didn't go further in the competition? I think we have already won this competition We have won many hearts. There are new friends, who have joined us. So I'm happy that my family is extending, and in future we'll do some great work together. I know that your support and love will always be there for me, and I love you all a lot. See, if I'm asked to come back as a wild card or something, then I don't mind going back inside the house. And but on individual basis, yes, definitely. The one with Salman sir, definitely I would like to come back where I can again show myself on individual basis and not connection. So that will be a different game altogether. And because I know I'm a very emotional guy, and I always react to things when I don't plan things, pre-plan things. So I always react whenever any situation comes my way. I react accordingly, and I think people who are very honest can be very dangerous also inside the house, because you don't know you're going to get from them. So because others who go inside the house, they have their game plans and strategies which people understand within a week or so. कि इसका ऐसा game है, इसका ऐसा game है. But people who don't have any game plan can be very dangerous. Yes. Ridhima and me will be good friends. Apart from Ridhima, Rakesh, yes, Rakesh was like an elder brother to me. He's a sweetheart. He's a very nice guy, and we'll be good friends outside the house as well. Divya, of course, yes. Divya और मेरा तो बहन भाई का रिश्ता ही बन गया था घर के अंदर, and उससे मेरा बहुत ध्यान रखा वो. I really want her to go further deep in this competition, and yeah, ये दो तीन तो है for sure. No, not at all. I think they all were very sweet. The Bigg Boss team, the Woot team, have been very sweet and very decent in their approach and everything, and the way they went about things. And I'm quite happy with the entire team. Overall, it was fine. I mean, Karan is known to be a very entertaining host, and he's worked with Madhuri ji also for a pretty long time. So he's nice. तो खाली उनसे एक शिकायत है, कंप्लेन है मुझे कि उनने मुझे थोड़ा इग्नोर किया मुझे वीकेंड के वार पे, क्योंकि मैं उन्हें कुछ रीजन नहीं दे रहा था टू बी टॉक्ड अबाउट इन अ नेगेटिव वे. एंड लेकिन मेरा बस उनसे यही कहना है कि इट डजंट ऑलवेज नीड टू बी अ नेगेटिव वे टू बी अबाउट. पॉजिटिविटीज को भी आप देख सकते हैं, उसके बारे में भी बातचीत कर सकते हैं. मैंने तो काफी पॉजिटिव चीजें किए थे शो में. टास्क के थ्रू मैंने ऑपोजिट टीम को हेल्प किया था जब उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी, तो वो किसी ने देखा नहीं. तो अच्छाई को भी आई थिंक प्रमोट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा, और इंटायर इंडिया को अच्छा लगेगा कि जब वो कुछ देखेंगे ऐसी चीजों को, जो पॉजिटिव चीजें भी होते हैं घर के अंदर. सो हाँ, यही बस मेरी एक शिकायत है. और जो उन्होंने मुझे एक चीज कहा था, मुझे उसका बुरा लगा था, जिससे मैं उनसे सहमत नहीं था. सो बस यार, दैट्स इट. No, brother, I think being emotional is a very strong, is your strength, which you can use inside the house. That's why I said, if I get this opportunity to go there as an individual, then it will be a different ball game altogether, because I don't need to think about my connection, because here I was thinking all the time about my connection, just trying to make it look better, just working on it. So if I get this chance, as emotional people, you don't know what to expect from them. They can react to any situation at, in any given way. They can react. You can't just get you can't predict about them, the way they will react and stuff. So that's why I said that they can be dangerous. First of all, I would like to go back on individual basis if given the opportunity. And if I go back inside the house, I would want to probably be the same the way I am, because I think if I get an opportunity to be a part of it again on individual basis, then I think I can definitely go much more further in the competition. Because but I would like some people to target me. Okay. Because in this show, no one was targeting me. They all were on the back foot. Whenever I used to come in between and fight with them, they used to go in the back foot. नहीं हमने आपकी तरफ से कुछ नहीं बोला. नहीं ये नहीं, मैंने अगर बोला भी तो कि सॉरी वॉरी बोलेंगे क्या ये. no one was showing me that, that Karan, I don't like you. I wanted that, but वो मिला नहीं मुझे इस show में. Didn't want to take any kind of पंगा with me. So, but ठीक है, बस ये होना चाहिए था. मैंने ये एक चीज बस मिस की शो में. किसी ने पंगा नहीं लिया मेरे साथ. ये तो और कंटेंट देता, और ज्यादा कंटेंट देता. Yeah, I'm not like angry because they all are playing their games. So I know I don't have any enmity with anyone. मैं तो अभी यहाँ पर ही आके सबको जाना है मैंने शो में. So I'm not angry with anyone, yaar. I don't have any regrets. I'm not angry with anyone. And they all are playing their game. It's a game. End of the day, it's a game. So not angry with anyone. I'm getting some good response, and especially from web world, web series and stuff. So very soon you'll be hearing about me doing some good work on OTT and platform and web series and stuff.